Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing cloudy conditions out there this morning with some light rain showers around the area this morning, and expecting those to start to wrap up as we get closer to the afternoon hours, where we'll still see some cloudy conditions through the remainder of the day. We'll see another slight chance of maybe a few light showers during the overnight time frame. And over the next couple days, we'll continue to see a few disturbances moving through the area, bringing a chance of rain, particularly once again as we get into Wednesday. But overall, mild conditions. If we take a look at our current surface analysis, we have this disturbance that's again gradually moving through the area, starting to see some of that shower activity starting to leave the local area, just lingering around through the morning hours this morning. We should see a break in the activity as we get through the afternoon and first part of the evening. Then again, a slight chance of an evening shower through the overnight time frame, and then another system approaches the area and brings a chance of showers as we get into Wednesday. If we take a look at the current weather at this time, seeing overcast deck 3,900 feet, restricted visibility is down to a quarter mile, light rain and fog being reported on the ASOS here, and seeing those winds fairly calm, temperature at 50 degrees, and our relative humidity is at 100%. Take a look at the current radar picture from the local radar here. We can see most of the shower activity to our north, but still seeing some light radar returns pushing through the area with some light rain associated with that. And again, expecting that to continue over the coming hours, and we should see things start to wrap up by the time we get into the afternoon. If we zoom out here, look at the visible satellite and composite radar, we can see again that most of that shower activity, the more moderate, the heavier showers, well to the north and out of the area. But still seeing kind of these breaks of light rain that we'll be tracking through the area over the next few hours. Behind it, some breaks in the clouds, but do see plenty of low cloud there, so expecting those clouds to stick around as we move through the day today. If we look at the European model zoomed out here at the big picture, we'll see that disturbance over the area right now start to depart, and then we'll see as we go into the overnight time frame, once again we'll see another chance of maybe a few light showers, particularly after midnight and before 4 a.m., and then we should see that wrapping up as we get past 4 a.m. Starting off the day cloudy, we'll see a very slight chance of maybe a lingering shower during the morning, but should see cloudy conditions to start the day and then decreasing clouds as we get later in the day. We'll have a chance for some low clouds and patchy mist as we move through the early morning hours of Tuesday as well. But overall through the day, Tuesday should be mostly dry, and that continues into Tuesday evening and overnight into the start of the day on Wednesday. And as you can see here on Wednesday, another disturbance approaches the region. It's going to bring another chance for some mainly afternoon showers pushing through the area and into the evening as well. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, starting off with red conditions for our precip and ceilings of visibility, as we do have those restricted visibilities at this time and some light rain showing up in the area. Again, expecting that to taper off as we get into the afternoon time frame, but still seeing cloudy conditions, likely seeing our ceilings right around 1,500 feet, with possibility of seeing those ceilings rise to around 3,000 feet, but overall expecting cloudy conditions to continue. Going into the evening time frame, we'll see our high temperature around 54 degrees, so just above average this time of year, but the evening will be quite mild, seeing our low around 48 degrees. We do start to pick up a yellow risk for those reduced ceilings and visibilities as we pass the mainly the 22 local time frame, as we will have a chance for some patchy mist and maybe even some low clouds as we move through the overnight and early morning hours of Tuesday. Also have a yellow risk between the 0 and 4 local time frame for a chance of maybe some light rain pushing through the area, but overall not expecting anything particularly heavy or a lot of accumulation at this time. And again, staying mild through the morning hours, starting the day off in the mid 50s as we start Tuesday. Tides running normal at this time. Looking at Tuesday, again, mostly cloudy to start the day. That very slight chance of any lingering light rain in the morning, and then becoming partly cloudy as we move through the day. We'll see a slight breeze early on in the day as well, with a high around 62, so a fairly mild day for this time of year, but green conditions overall expected. That continues as we move into Tuesday evening with partly cloudy conditions. We'll have another slight chance for some patchy mist around the area, and a low around 42 degrees. Another mild day for Wednesday with partly to mostly cloudy conditions and that chance for afternoon rain showers. So we do have that yellow risk for precip there for Wednesday. Otherwise, expecting our high around 58 degrees. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.